Welcome to our education channel. Today we are going to learn the section of solid. Here we will solve one problem on the basis of section of solid. So here the problem is a square prism 50 mm side of base and 80 mm in height is resting on its base on HP with all sides of base making equal angle with VP. It is cut by a section plane normal to VP and passing through the left bottom corner and top right corner of elevation. So let us understand the problem. We have a square prism of 50 mm side. Square means all sides are equal and that is of 50 mm and 80 mm height. So this height is 80 mm and resting on its base on HP with all sides of base making equal angle. So we'll place in this way. So in this way this square prism is resting on HP with all sides making an equal angle with VP. So let us understand on the horizontal and vertical plane. So this is square prism resting with its base and making an equal angle with VP. So this prism is resting on HP. So it is cut by a section plane normal to VP and passing through the left bottom corner and top right corner of elevation. So the section plane is normal to VP and passing through the left bottom corner and the right corner of elevation. So we will cut this. We will get this section like this. So let us try to draw the front view, top view and true shape of the solid. Section. Set your adapter and first of all draw the reference line . X1, X2. So in top view we will see the square of 50 mm side. So draw a square of side 50 mm in the top view with all sides making equal angle with VP and that is 45 angle with XY line. Draw the sides of square making with 45 degree from both sides. So mark on 45 degree for two sides. Then take 50 mm distance in compass and mark on the both side. Then with the same distance draw arc on the diagonal vertical line from both new points will get the intersection of another two lines. Then join these two lines, give names to each point. So let us start from A, B, C and D in top view. This is our top view. Give the dimension to the side of the square. So draw the projection line for the dimension and give dimension. Now let us draw the front view. Take projection from the top view for the front view. So take all projections. So the prism longer side is of 80 mm. So take axis length equal to 80. So let us mark 80 mm as axis length. Then complete the front view with drawing the rectangle. So here the rectangle will appear in the front view. Now give the leveling in the front view. So this is bottom side, that is C dash. It is an overlapping of B and D. So B dash, D dash, and this is A dash. Now from the upper surface we will use 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the top view 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is a projection of 1 dash, 2 dash, 4 dash, and this is of 3 dash. Give dimension to the height. So draw the projection line and give the dimension. That is of 80 mm. Now in the problem, this prism is cut by a section plane normal to the VP and passing through the left bottom corner and the top right corner of the elevation. So now our elevation is completed. So the plane will passing through the left bottom corner. So this is left bottom corner and the top right corner. So like this. So draw the plane which passing through C dash and 1 dash. By cutting line, that is called a section line. At the end you have to dark it. Yes. So this is our section plane which cutting the prism. Now label to this point, that is P dash B D. So it is PB and PD. Now join all points of intersection in the HP in the sequence to get the sectional top view. So here we will get the sectional top view. Then to draw the true shape of the section, draw the another reference line parallel to the cutting plane. So let us draw another reference line x1 y1 parallel to the cutting plane. So here we have drawn another reference line. Here we have drawn x1 x2. So let us take here x3 x4 x3 x4. Now observe the reference line and the top view. We have to take a distance of each point from the reference line and put here. First of all, we have to draw the perpendicular projection from the front view. So let us take projections which is perpendicular to the new reference line. So transfer each point by taking the same distance from the reference line. This is C point. Then this is B point. So distance of A from x1 x2 and mark it is from x3 x4. So we'll get 4 points. So our first point is C, then this is B, then D, and then A. So join these 4 points, we'll get the true shape. So let us join the points, we'll get the true shape of the section. Now draw hashing line 45 degree with 45 degree. Draw the hashing line. So in this way we will get the true shape of the section. So for drawing the sectional top view, show the section hashing lines with equal spacing. We'll get the sectional top view. Now it is sectional top view. So here I request you to subscribe my channel, learn and like this video. If you learn something from this video, so this problem will be asked for the 6 marks. So such type of 2 questions are asked in the examination. So if you understand this problem, then let us try to solve another problem. So here problem is a cylinder of 30 mm diameter, 50 mm height and having its axis vertical is cut by a section plane perpendicular to VP, inclined at 45 degree to the HP and passing through the point on the axis 12 mm below top the base to the base. Draw front view, sectional view and true shape of the section. So in the section problem, we will draw first top view, then front view, then cutting plan, then shows the sectional top view and then take or transfer the points with the new reference line and we will get the true shape. In this way we can solve this sectional problem. Thank you very much for watching this video. You subscribe our channel, also share with your friends so that everybody should get the knowledge of the section of the solid. Thank you.